What's up guys, it's Ian here back today with another video, and today I'm going to be unboxing and giving my first impressions on the Spyderco Para 3 in Maxamet Bladesteel. This knife was a little bit more expensive than the stock Para 3. It has a special type of blade steel, seems pretty highly rated, so let's open it up and give the first impressions. It's looking like it comes wrapped piece of plastic with a bit of an anti-desiccant silica packet. Piece of paper, instructions, little manual, a Spyderco sticker. Blade HQ sends you a sticker, as well as a temporary tattoo. I probably won't use this, but the sticker is cool. Alright, let's open it up. This is the first Spyderco knife that I've owned. Handle is rough, feels nice to hold on to. Nice looking blade. Overall, I'd say it feels like a solid quality item. High amount of fidget potential. First time owning something with this compression lock design here. Let's get all this crap out of the way. The way it works is there's a little lock on the back here, and it closes like that. Very easy one-hand opening. Alright, let's see if I can do the flip without cutting myself. Very flippy. Very flippy. Right, let's try again. Quick. Yeah, flips right open. Compression lock. Easy closure. Oh my god. You can also hold down the compression lock and kind of flip it open. Doesn't always work. Sometimes it bounces off of that metal bar in there. Comes with a little insert that kind of gives you the breakdown of what Maxamet steel actually is right there. Kind of interesting. Supposedly it's a special type of steel, not used by most companies. So that's pretty cool right there. And yeah. Just testing my luck doing this flipping until I cut myself on camera. Let's see if I can cut my hair. Yeah, that is some hair. Sharp enough to cut hair off the arm. That's a nice knife right there. Hopefully you enjoyed that. First impressions, nice grippy handle, very easy to hold on to. You could imagine that this is a good, nice big handle, easy to maintain purchase of, even if your hands are wet. You know, you could use it for cutting boxes or self-defense if needed. Very good kind of slashy knife, a bit pointy in case you need that functionality. Handle fits nicely in the hand. A lot of knives, the handles are a little bit too small. This one feels just right. Yeah. I was able to do that flippy thing pretty easily off camera, but you know, something about having the camera on just makes it more difficult. Two-handed opening, very easy obviously. There it says the blade steel, made in Colorado, USA. Gotta support local companies, local businesses. Not really local, but it's in America at least. Let me know what you think about this in the comments down below. Gray handles, Maxamet blade, looks pretty nice. The clip is pretty low on the knife, so this would stick out of your pocket if you use the pocket clip. I just use zipper pockets. I usually wear sweatpants, so this is probably gonna go in my pocket if I am carrying it. As always, let me know what you think and drop a comment down below. I'll talk to you in the next video.